our channel. My mom is in the kitchen. Say hi, Mom.
Hello everyone, let's make this easy mutabbaq today.
Cutie is also in the kitchen, fans.
Umar is going to show us how to crack eggs.
Crack eggs in a separate bowl.
Yes friends, do not crack eggs directly into the mixing bowl. Okay Umar, go ahead. Oops. Oopsie. Let's transfer this to another bowl. Here. Carefully. There you go, you got it. High five. Good job. Come on.
We're gonna wash up, clean up, and get back.
Yes, friends, we are going to clean up this little mess.
Clean up any day and I will wait. Clean up. When my mom is cleaning, I'm just tell you a storybook. Once upon a time, there was animals in the forest. The end. I think they fell asleep.
Okay, friends, let's start.
Cooking.
7 eggs.
You got 7 eggs. 1 cup of ground beef.
1 cup of browned ground beef. Please click the link below in the description box for the recipe.
1 cup cooked onion.
1 cup of chopped and microwaved onions. Let's see how to cook onions in a microwave. Chop 2 onions, microwave on high for 2 minutes. This is ready. Green chilies to taste. Yes, you can do this.
No, I wanted to do the onion.
Half a cup of parsley or cilantro chopped.
I wanted to add the onion.
Okay. Okay friends, Umar wants to add the onion, so I'm going to just remove it from here like this. And Umar is going to add the onions now. Wow, okay. Half a cup of cilantro or parsley chopped. 1/4 teaspoon of allspice. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder and salt to taste.
Give it a mix.
Give it a mix. Hold this bowl, please.
Okay. It smells good.
It smells good. Yes, it does. 1/4 cup of water.
Why to add
Mix
water? Why to add water?
Because we're going to add in the flour now, so we need little water. Okay?
Oh, maybe you did that also for it to be easy, faster.
Faster, yes. Easy to mix. Correct. Next goes in the flour. Half a cup of each all-purpose and wheat flour. Add little at a time. You want to add or you want to mix? Okay, you add, I'm going to mix, okay?
I want to.
You want to do both?
Yeah. But it's not easy working only with one hand.
Okay friends, this is the consistency we are looking for. Let's start making mutabbaq. Heat up your pan on medium-low heat. Let's see if the pan is hot. I'm just going to sprinkle a little water. Yes, it's hot. Spread it. Spoon. Fold like this. Fold while the batter is still wet. Again fold. Add little oil. Cook on each side for a minute. This is ready. Cut it before serving. Let's make this without folding it. This is ready. Mutabbaq and parathas are ready to be served. Hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. Please like, subscribe and share. We'll see you back soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Bye.
Thank you for watching, friends. Bye.